What's up, YouTube? What's up, DN Mafia? It's your boy, Dolce.
And it's your girl, NESHA, and we back with another bang.
That's what we doing. But look, y'all, you already know that's what we do in the intro, but you already know to turn this way a little bit. Cause that light over there ugly.
Alright, y'all, so as y'all can tell by that title, we doing something a little different. Baby J.
We gotta be quiet. You back there because you know we recording, so you want to be loud. Look at her. Goofy. You was a goofy. But look, y'all. Look, y'all, we doing something way different than we ain't never do this on our channel before, did we? We ain't never do nothing like this on our channel.
Go ahead, talk.
Big mouth head. Come on. Come on, tell them.
Yo, we about to turn we about to turn Amaya, y'all know her as Amaya, into Princess Amaya today, yo. We about to turn her into a rapper, y'all. Her rapper name is Princess Amaya.
You ready, Amaya?
Oh, she done rolled her pants.
Yeah, she rolled her pants up and everything. But you got your little step stool. Look, y'all, we got everything set up over here. Look, y'all, we got everything set up. We got the little boom boom, the little microphone. Let me see how you gonna be on there, Amaya. Stand up there on your step stool. Let's see what you gonna do.
Do say something.
We had the engineer right here, you feel me? Engineering everything up.
I got money in my hand.
Uh-oh. Look, she ready. You ain't done, though. Look how nervous she is, y'all.
It's okay, you ain't gotta be
But y'all, when y'all hear the song, though, y'all gonna be like, oh my God, that's lit.
Period.
And what is you doing up here? Get down. What is you doing? What? That ain't nothing. Come on, getting a band-aid. What is you doing, Amaya? Running over to see.
Girl, you hit me.
Yeah, she nervous. That's nervous shit.
It's okay, Ma. You ain't
We got the whole setup over there, the lights, all that. You feel me? The mic, everything for Amaya, y'all. This her debut. You feel me?
She wanna do this, y'all.
Her
No
rapping.
pressure, but Amaya, if you kill this, guess what? We going to Walmart and I'll buy you a new baby.
Ooh, you gonna get a new baby just for rapping. Something you wanted to do anyway. Oh, you were dancing and everything, huh? That's great.
Say, I'm gonna be looking for kids for my music videos, so y'all better let me know.
I'm about to live for my dreams.
What? Let me know.
I don't know what she's saying.
She said what I said, what she's spending.
Yeah, you spinning and stuff. Stop spinning.
Are you ready?
Stop spinning because you nervous. That's what it is. That's
Don't
nerves.
tire yourself out. You can't be on the mic like,
Yeah, like how your mama be doing her little vlogs.
No,
I'm out of breath. So I'm just playing. Now you close as fuck. Big head eye. Why your hair so big like that? I'm just playing.
Alright.
Now your head is big though.
I'm sorry, you don't want this roast
I don't care about my head being
You
big.
don't want this roast session.
It ain't about no roast session. It's about Amaya being a rapper today. Yo, big. I want to. I'm just playing. Look. What you about to do? Say something. You about to talk about my forehead? Right here. What you doing, Amaya? You about to get up here and rap? Get up there and rap now. Matter of fact, you got to get closer.
Alright, y'all. So Maya just chicken, y'all. She was so excited up to this point, but no peer pressure. She ain't ready, y'all. When she ready, we gonna get there. So
she want to hold money. She got money in her hand, but she can't say it. Look, y'all.
and y'all know what's crazy? She made it. But she made it,
Yeah, you made it and you can't even do it. Yeah, look.
She made that money in my hand on her own.
What?
If Jody mess up, I'ma do it. I wanna do
Alright,
it.
if Johnny messed up, bro, gonna hop on the beat.
Then Darian. Y'all, we trying to get this.
You had a chance.
We trying to build the empire right now. Yeah, you just had a chance.
I heard it.
Oh, so now you
Come
want to do it?
on.
Come do it now.
Go do it. Watch out, Jody.
You gotta record something. You can't just.
Johnny man.
Well, let's see what DB do real quick.
You next.
Let's see what DB do.
Come on, DB.
Keep it on up.
You gonna do it or not? We wasted a lot of time, so come on. You gonna do it? You gonna do
Make
it?
your eye. What is you doing? Making your face like that and shit.
So you gotta do. I got money. You know the song, so you know.
Where you going?
She said, I'm next.
You next.
Ready, dear?
Look at
Give me
Darian.
big titty.
Darian, go do your work, honey.
Let's go, dear.
Big titty.
All you gotta do is sing the song we just what?
You ready?
You stand up, cause you stand up and swag out with it. Get up. Move that chair. Yeah, get up there like dance with it and everything. Feel it.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I want it.
Alright, Jody, get it. Jody, get it.
Go ahead, Johnny, cause we ain't got time to
DB,
play.
you know the song.
Yeah, you know the whole song.
You don't want to be in
anyway.
the backseat jamming. Like, huh.
Johnny knows it too. though.
Johnny too
Scoot up a little
fine.
bit.
You gotta get up on it. Look, he's feeling it, good.
I money in my hands. I got money in my hands. I got money in my hands. I got money in my hands. Princess of
No Prince Jardier.
You gotta stop it after your little after you say money in my hand. Cause now we got no.
Stop right there, cuz. Let's do
That's my house.
Yeah, he messed up though. He got
Badass, move her.
double.
Okay.
Move her too.
No, oh yeah.
Yeah, what you can
Just
say?
do the 4.
You doing good on your part.
I got money in my hands. We gonna
I got
stop.
money in my hands. I got money in my
Yeah, 4
hands.
times.
Call me Prince Jardier.
No,
No, I'm saying we can use that though.
Okay, yeah, oh, okay.
Instead of Princess of Maya.
All right, do your 4. I got money in my hands, all right? Feel it.
You gotta feel it. You doing better than everybody so far.
How you lift this up? We need to actually lift up a little bit.
Oh, they get it ready for Johnny, y'all. Y'all see? Y'all, we building the empire, the Curry Empire, y'all. Y'all better get down or lay down and tell y'all, you're not here. You about to do it. You better get closer and feel it.
Money in my hands. I got money in my hands. I got money in my hands. I got money in my hands. I'm Prince Jardier. I'm a.
You doing good though, stop making sound. No, but you good though, you doing good.
You doing real good.
Yeah.
He said, Johnny,
Right.
Prince
that's real though.
Johnny Yachty.
Let him put you in the next line and say, call me Prince
You should have just let him
Jardier.
freestyle on there and see when it come out.
Yeah, without the.
Yeah, without the words and all that. Just, he can do it money in my hand, but he can just come in and just freestyle it if it sound right. Whatever.
Oh yeah, then you know my name is Mike. Like my name is Lil Johnny. I said the shut up. She didn't want to do
Lil
it.
Ja.
Right?
My name is Lil Ja.
Lil Ja, that's your rap name.
Lil
My
Ja,
name
you
is
good?
Lil Ja.
Yeah.
I set the beat on fire.
Ooh.
I'm the new
You ain't gotta say fire.
You
You
want-
can say,
yes,
I
you
said,
can.
my name is Lil Ja. I set the beat on fire. Like that.
Fire.
Yeah, because it's Ja. Fire. You feel me? Like they know what fire is. But you gotta
And
go
then
with
you
the
got,
beat though. I'm telling
but
you.
then you like, I'm the new wave. You other rappers
Time.
fire.
You feel me? They all go with
Oh,
Ja.
time.
Yeah, it does. It does, man.
Because I'm a rapper on the level.
Yeah, it does.
Alright.
I was trying to snatch my head off and trying to embarrass me. This shit, you want to make it ready? What you doing?
Yeah.
Embarrass me.
There you go.
So see that you see that names went, you know what I'm saying? I did good with the names, you know what I'm saying?
Saying no.
What? No, I'm talking about how they names are all
Good
similar.
job.
I did that.
You knew what you was doing, though.
Yeah, I knew what I was doing.
Duh. The fuck? You're the mama. You better know what you was
Alright, come on. You ready? You doing
doing. You
good.
Lil Ja. Remember, you
Lil Ja.
Money in my hands, I got money in my hands. I got money in my hands. I got money in my hands. Call me Prince.
My bad.
What are you gonna say on that part?
Oh, no.
Prince Johnny. You can say Prince Jardier. I can call me
From the last.
Yeah, they can call you Prince Jardier, but then your real name really Lil Ja.
Yeah, Lil Ja. They call me Lil Ja. Alright, I
Prince
set the
Jardier.
beat on fire.
They say call me Prince Jardier, like that.
Yeah, on that part. Prince Jardier, you got it.
Call me Prince Jardier.
We gonna play it from one. And then you just gonna say it right after that. One time to say, I got money in my hand. Then say,
I'm really girl about it.
Call me Prince Jardier.
right there.
Everybody want to get down. Lonnie J. Show Lonnie J on there. Look, you're on YouTube. Don't get too close. You're on YouTube right now. Look. Because all you do is cry. Damn. Give me this.
Hey, Dee, go get me water in her milk.
Are you playing me for YouTube? Give me kiss. Are you charging me?
You see what to do?
Oh, she looking for milk. That's what she looking for. Give me a kiss.
You got it?
Them big test.
So is he doing it all over and keep going?
Y'all see what she do to me? Yeah.
So he just going straight to call me Prince Jardier? You hear him? So you ain't gotta say the money in my hands anymore. Just go to call me Prince Jardier. I got money in my hands. I got money in my hands. That's it.
Yeah.
I gotta make it.
Look at D. We got Johnny over here doing it. Got Johnny about to have a whole rap song. Look, y'all. Look, y'all, DB ain't want to do it. Memory ain't want to do it. And the son who really, like, Amaya ain't want to do it.
But tell them this, though. We paid for the song for Amaya.
Yeah.
She ain't want to do it. D every time he want a song for. We was just about to pay for a song for him.
So that's pointless to do now because we know he ain't gonna do it.
So after Jody, he's gonna do us. And
and then they might want Jody again. They might want Jody again too if this a hit. Look at the dog right there.
They might want to see what little job about.
Yeah, they might here. They might want to see what little job about.
Job.
Call me Prince.
Oh, is it call me? No, you done with that part. You did that.
Nah. He gotta call me Prince John. I said to be.
You need to sit over here and be quiet. Cause you don't even know how the song go, Nisha.
Call me Prince John. I said to be.
Yeah.
Hold on. Y'all sure?
Yeah.
Just let him say it how he gonna say it though. That's like every word ain't gotta be the same as the song though. He gotta make it his own right now.
My name is Prince John. I set the beat on fire.
And make sure you looking in the mic, the thing. You ain't gotta look at your mama now.
No, Philly, do your thing.
Call me Prince John. I'm finna set the beat on fire.
No, you gotta do it over.
My name is Prince Ja. My name is Prince Ja. I set the beat on fire. Alright?
My name is Prince John. I set the beat on fire.
Right.
Yep. Jody doing it. Oh, you ain't even got the money in your hand. You gotta have the money in your hand on this song. This is called Money in My Hand, you dig me? You gotta hold it up for them, so show them the money. Show them the money.
Show them the money. You nervous? You ain't gotta be nervous. And then the next part is I'm the new wave.
These other rappers tired.
Yeah. I'm the new wave. You other rappers
And
tired.
just say it in your own way though, like make it your own.
Yeah, let me hear you say it.
I'm the new. Say I'm the new wave.
I'm the new wave. Your other rappers tired.
Yeah, you feel me? Jody got it. You got a little rapper on your hands, huh?
They all gonna have it. They just gotta.
Yeah, they just over there scared and shit. What did you do? Get off the couch like that. Cause you ain't want to do your little rap. This must have been about your vlog.
I'm telling you, I done showed everybody. Look at my son.
Yeah. Now we gotta switch it up. You feel me? Oh, Jody feeling it. So he the rap. He supposed to let the dreads hang.
Oh, the video gonna hang.
First day out. Jody about to get off punishment, so it's gonna be his first day out intro.
I'm the
His
new
son.
wave. Your other rappers tired.
She in the background.
Do something with her, DB. Haters. Them the haters over there. All the haters over there. You feel me?
Take her in the room.
Cause they ain't want to do it.
Don't hurt my baby. Cause look what you doing.
Brother over there hating too. What you hating for? You over there hating, big hating. Oh, you hating too?
did not say it was
Over
trash.
there eating the shit.
Brother, you feel like getting here? Oh, you can go to your room. Thank you.
Yeah, cause you ain't want to rap and you ain't want to help watch Jaylani.
Yeah.
Why you got the wrapping paper? Give me this. He just staring you down. Staring you down like, I can't stand you. I can't stand this house. Who said that this morning? I can't stand this house. Why? Because it's rules in his mother.
I'm the new wave. Your other rappers tired.
I bet. Come on.
All right, looking to the mic. I got you. He looking for my approval.
Yeah, you raw. You got it.
I'm the new wave. Your other rappers tired.
Okay. And if it's the little, you ain't even see him, huh? Oh,
You gotta say it to the
You say it to the beat.
Yeah, you gotta say it to the beat. Wait till you stop. Wait till this go over. My name is Prince John. Then you say it.
I'm the new
No, wait till that's over. When you hear yourself stop rapping, then you jump in, alright?
I'm the new wave.
One more
You
time.
other
Yeah, you gotta get some more takes, you feel me?
Okay.
I'm the new wave. You other rappers tired.
He's staring at you the whole time like, did I do it right? Did I do it right, mama? Mama.
Okay, so I don't know about this one, y'all. The next one is I like to go shopping with my mama. My sister with me every time I do a party.
We could change all that. We had to change all that. What could he say with the
Okay, so I want you to say this then. You can keep the party part because you can be like, my bros with me every time I do a party. Yeah. Say your bros, say your sister.
And you be doing, this was gonna be Johnny's song anyway, because this go with his little dance he always do.
Oh, yeah, we did that. Okay, so what about that? I like to go shopping with my mom. We gotta do something more boyish.
I like to go shop.
I like to, I was gonna say, I like to shoot hoops with my, that's it. Yeah,
I like to shoot. I like to play. Try to say it.
What you want to say? What should it be? Hers is I like to go shopping with my mommy. So what should his is?
No.
What is it?
I like to go to the Gucci store. He can say something like that if he wants to though.
Go shopping with my mommy. What can he say instead of that?
What's after that?
He gonna say after that. He gonna say my bros with me every time I do a party. Yeah.
What wrong with the party?
I gotta go to school and make sure that I ain't tardy. I don't know. Some kids. I don't know.
Or something with Saudi. Something with Saudi. What can go with Saudi?
We wake up every day and get rowdy.
Yeah, sound like that.
Bros at the party.
Oh yeah, y'all sound like that.
Wake up, get it started.
We wake up, get it started. Wait, we wake up and get rowdy. I got all my bros at the party. We wake up and get rowdy. I'm bringing my boys to the party.
That ain't it, not. What is it? This my bros with me every time I do a party.
What is to the party?
No. You missed the whole other bar.
How I go though? You gotta let them know how I go.
I know that.
But what's the top? What's the how
How hers went was I like to go shopping with my mommy. My bros with me every time I do a party. Yeah. So we just gotta get that mommy. Something to feel that mommy part.
Or take out.
Yeah, to take that mommy out.
Or he can't. Oh, I got it. I like to go shopping with my family. No, that's whack.
That's whack. That's whack though for some rapping shit. I like to go shopping with my family.
She said it.
Oh.
Go shopping with my mommy.
But family, that's too long. Family, that's like 3 different syllables of that, man.
Family.
I like to go shopping, riding with my family.
Well, let him just say I like to go shopping with my daddy.
Yeah.
Then
Or wake up and get started. My family in the party. Listen to the beat. Listen to the beat. I'm listening to the beat.
No, but we're talking about the part that was already on there. We're trying to replace one bar.
I know that my shopping with my mom, right?
I think he's just clear. I like to go shopping with my daddy. Yeah, my bros with me every time I do a party. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can just switch up that. Just switch up mommy. Yeah, go ahead. I like to go shopping with my daddy. My bros with me every time I do a party. How I go? Go ahead.
So
Do you need the headphones back?
Get over there.
So just do this one part. I like to go shopping with my daddy.
I'm about to turn to Jackson 5 daddy in this motherfucker. I'm just playing.
Okay. I can't.
No, Johnny doing right now.
You what?
Y'all loud on it. Every time I put the headphones on and y'all talk.
All right, so you
Stop standing like that, boy.
Let me hear you say,
Look,
I like to go shopping with my daddy.
Say
Should he say it all in one or just that word?
He can say, just do it.
Just do that?
Yeah.
What you on the phone calling this shit for? Is she over there about to break the table?
We'll put her in there. We'll sit her down in there.
Don't stop.
Here.
Stop banging.
She being here now because Amaya didn't want to do
She
it.
stole the chair. Say it's cool. So red and blue is my colors. Shh.
Stop.
No, red and blue is my colors.
Yeah. Then what you say after that?
Well, I don't know. What is it? Where's my phone?
Red and blue is my color. I like chilling with my daddy. I think that's what
Somebody gotta say something about the mother. Everybody.
Whoa,
Well,
get
no, you
down.
can say
Stop.
that. That's fine.
What you hating for?
It said,
Yeah, there you go.
yeah.
Yeah.
it said cookies.
I know, but you ain't saying that. We switching the
Red and
lyrics.
blue.
What you
Red
doing?
and blue is my colors. I like chilling with my brothers.
Okay?
Yeah.
You hear him? You got it? Don't worry about what they say. We switching it up for you. That's
I
for
like chilling with my colors.
my brother.
Brothers.
My brother.
Yeah.
Red and blue is my colors. I like chilling with my brothers.
You got it? All right, the noise.
I forgot what to say.
Wait, let's slow it down for him. What did he do?
Red and blue.
Here's my colors. Yeah.
Yeah,
Do
red
that.
and blue is my colors.
I like chilling with my brothers.
Oh, if you got it, go ahead. Then.
Yeah.
I like chilling with my brothers.
Red and blue is my colors.
You gotta say all that. Red and blue is my colors.
I already said that.
You gotta say it again.
You ain't say it right.
Red and blue is my colors. I like chilling with my brothers.
Ooh.
Okay.
Okay.
Viral, wavy title, pretty hair. I'm an idol. Pink and purple is my colors. I like cooking with my mother. Money in my hand, a habit.
Yeah. Money in my hand, a habit. Killed the beat cause I'm a savage.
No, I'm not saying that.
Yeah,
You
you,
gotta say
are.
it. Yeah, what you talking about?
Alright, so what is it? Money in my hands, a habit, right?
Savage ain't no girl thing.
In my hands, I have it. Kill a beat because I'm a seven.
Alright, you gotta be louder though, cause you
Yeah, you
mumble
gotta- yeah, you
something.
gotta be pump moving,
Money
Maya.
in my hands,
Look
a
at Maya
habit.
hating
Killed
right
the
here.
beat cause I'm a savage. Alright?
He can split.
Yeah, you. Alright, split it. Alright, so alright, if you need to say it, just say money in my hands, a habit.
Put that up.
I forgot.
Don't worry about that, you done.
In my hands, a habit.
Money in my hands, a habit.
That means kill a beat.
Killed the beat cause I'm a savage.
In my hands, a habit.
Keep on.
Okay, just do the first part.
Hands, a habit.
Do that.
Say that by
Hands,
itself.
a habit.
Shh, remember.
Money in my hand, I have it.
They be look like he a pro at this little shit, huh? Wait for his little turn and everything, yeah. Like, right, sorry for this hood on it. I want to do it. Y'all getting on the next
Y'all
track.
next. I got y'all. We about to do handle tonight.
He know, he
Oh,
got
you
it.
did it? Oh, I was talking though. My bad.
I don't know if you maybe hear it in there or not. Maybe not.
The Curry Empire is starting now. Y'all next. Remember, I ain't never doing it. You're gonna do it next with me.
I want to hear her say again.
Shut up. You got it.
Going by my baby title, crazy hit. I'm an
Ooh.
idol, red and blue. In my colors, I like chilling with my brothers.
Oh, that's lit.
Kill the beat 'cause I'm a savage.
That's hard
You
though.
can hear me? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's hard too though. Okay.
Killed the beat cause I'm a savage. Alright? Wait down. Wait on him.
That's it, right?
This gonna be hard though. Yo, corny ass think you did some shit. You ain't do this. Goofy out.
So far.
Oh damn.
Kill the beat 'cause I'm a savage.
Alright.
One more time.
Dude, kill the beat.
Slow down, hold on.
Kill the beat 'cause I'm a savage.
I'm sorry, but D be killing me.
Yeah, they be killing it.
He did it better than anybody.
Yeah, they be
You
killing
did
it.
good, Johnny, but D be
Yeah, you
killing
did good, but DB want to be the rapper. I guess he is the rapper, huh?
I'm a savage princess. I keep it classy.
You gotta say princess, I keep it classy.
No, you
So I'm a prince, I keep it no, do he say it's classy still?
Young Prince, I keep it classy.
Oh yeah, you
Yeah,
can. Young prince, I keep it classy. I'm high, so I don't know. Well, I ain't high.
You got it? Young Prince. I keep it. Hey, Amanda, go. Go upstairs, please. Go play upstairs.
Yeah, they were playing Ring Around the Rosie head up. What are you doing?
Young Prince. I keep it classy.
Young Prince.
Young Prince.
Yeah, you a young prince. Cause I'm the king. The fuck? Ain't I the king? The fuck? You ain't the fuck. Don't say the fuck. I'm
The
telling you
fuck?
right now. I'm telling you right now.
No.
The Curry Empire, y'all. Should we turn our channel name to that?
Young
The J Empire.
No, you want to be by yourself. He gonna be the one that grow up and just be like, y'all, he gonna be the Dre of the Empire.
You got it? You got it? Young Prince. I keep it classy. You hating?
Already.
Young Prince, I keep it classy.
Young Prince, cause
Young Prince, I keep it classy.
Young Prince, I keep it classy.
Young Prince, I keep it classy. All them clips and claps. What are you talking about?
Here, it should be. What'd you say?
What is it? Kill the beat, I keep it classy.
No.
What is
Young
it?
Prince, I keep it.
Oh well.
It already said that.
Okay, so what's next? Cute.
Cute face, but I'm sassy.
Here.
Too petite.
Oh wait, no, it's another one.
Raw face?
Oh, raw face.
No, dear, say Gucci face.
Gucci face. Well, we gotta get them some Gucci. They all talking about Gucci and shit. What y'all talking about? What y'all know about Gucci?
It's cute face, but I'm sassy. None of that.
It's other rappers, but they trashy. Sorry, you can't say that though. It's other rappers, but they trashy.
Say the other rappers.
It's other rappers, but they trashy. Some shit, I don't know. Some kids stuff, trashy. Yeah.
Hey.
What is that?
I don't know.
It's whatever you said, it sounded right there. I thought he said something about flying carpets like a lad or something. That shit went though.
Flying carpets like a lady.
I'm too fly just like a lady.
Son.
I'm too fly just like a lady.
I didn't say that.
We all turn this around. Yeah, I'm too
Who was Aladdin? Ain't that a girl?
Aladdin, the dude, the dude from
okay.
ain't that his name?
Well, yeah.
Yeah, the little carpet. Yeah, be on the carpet. Yeah, you ain't here. But that's like when you before your time though.
Okay.
That's around my
bring it back
time
then.
and
Bring
shit.
it back for these ones, okay?
Oh yeah, bring it back. Let them know.
So how it go?
I forget now.
Just like a lady.
I'm
No.
too fly just like Aladdin. You hear?
Yep.
Alright, he showing up.
Yeah, I don't know who he think he is. He really a rapper. Demi really started to say rapper and Johnny.
He always rapping though.
Yeah,
Like I
always rapping. So
do
now he
on Xander.
finally in
That's
there.
what I'm saying.
But look at Johnny, you leaving Johnny out. Johnny like, I be rapping too. We know you rap. We know you was rapping. You was lit though. You lit. Oh, you gonna let me hang at the shit?
I wasn't even rapping.
Well, now you gotta turn up. You gotta turn up rapping now because now y'all rappers. Now y'all rappers now, so now y'all gotta turn up.
Yo, we don't have rappings on the dreadheads. We don't have songs on the
Oh yeah.
Oh, y'all gonna be the dreadhead clique. No, cause Brother and Darian and all them, and they can't just be by themselves. Unless Brother and Darian don't want to come solo, come do their own thing.
I mean, they doing their song next. So
Oh yeah. Well, y'all.
stay tuned, cause the Big Brothers is gonna kill it. We not leaving them out. I promise y'all. They coming next.
The Big Brother's gonna kill
Big
it.
Brothers coming next.
Cause it's supposed to be the Maya song for real.
Yeah, that's the whole reason. This is last minute.
This is gonna be a nice long video for me. You feel me?
Alright, what is it?
You ain't want to. Hold up.
Alright, come on, we gotta get started. Bye, stop. You ready?
You throwing
I'm
money?
here
too?
to Maya. I want y'all upstairs because y'all distracted.
They gonna be in the video throwing money up and shit.
So they just made
Leave that alone.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they did.
Mira and Maya, go upstairs, honey.
What is you eating?
I just gave her some fresh food. Come on.
The fuck?
It's a whole cheeseburger.
It's on the carpet.
I'm too fly just like a lady.
I'm too fly.
No.
I'm too fly just like a
Just like
Latin.
Aladdin. You got it?
I'm too fly.
I'm too fly.
I'm too fly because
I'm too fly like I'm a Latin.
Just like Aladdin.
Just like a Latin.
I'm too fly like I'm a Latin.
Yes, he chose my shit. I'm just man. But I'm too fly just like a Latin.
It's the same thing.
I'm not doing that.
How you gonna say you ain't doing it? So you just know what you want,
I ain't
huh?
doing that again. Alright, what's next?
YouTube and TikTok.
Oh, you ain't ready for that part.
Oh, you want that? I think that's next.
That's when he gonna have to hit his little dance. You gotta hit your little dance you be hitting.
Alright, that's next. can have that, yeah.
You do got a video with almost 200,000 views on TikTok.
You do? Yeah, he said yeah.
Super TikTok. I can make the beat rock.
Look at her.
You over here, she over here shocked like that. That's my big brother. He rapping. That's my big ass brother.
Look at her.
She gonna be the rapper too.
I can make the beat rock.
That's the wrong
This is a
part
goofy
there. He
ass.
was waiting on that.
Yeah, that's he happy. He got
YouTuber TikTok.
Yeah, I can make the beat drop.
Cause I know the whole song.
Beat rock, whatever it is. Oh yeah, he do know the whole song though. He know the whole song anyway, so he cool with it. He over
That's why
looking
he
at
just-
shit.
that's
Yeah.
why he flowing.
Yeah.
What's
He
that?
the smart one, like he just sat there and listened. Like I'm taking the Maya son.
You can touch my hands.
No.
He gonna be comfortable next time.
Let me see what's next.
Yo, hopefully y'all enjoying this video, y'all. This is a nice long video for y'all. We turning our kids to rappers. That's what they want to do, you feel me? So that's what we doing for them, you feel me? We not pressuring our kids to do nothing. We not making our kids do
They see
nothing.
that though. Whoever don't want
Just
to do it,
fun, yeah. They hop off. You see, they hopping off. The big kids gonna have their turn. You feel me? Next track. You feel me? Right now,
no little kids around.
yeah, y'all make this song go viral once it drop, y'all. I'm telling y'all right now. The hottest shit on YouTube right now. I'm telling you.
I want to end it off.
Hold
What
up.
I just
End
said.
it off. I can make the beat rock.
So be like, I can make you dance, girl. No, look, I can make you
He got his
dance,
hands
girl.
in his
You can
pockets
touch
like him.
my hands, girl.
Look, it's easy for him. Hands in his pockets and everything.
You got it. So don't forget what you memorized, huh?
I need to listen.
Be like, I can make you dance, girl. You can't touch my hands.
You better tell the rapper like kids you coming. No, I'm just playing.
Did he say you can or you can't touch my hands, girl?
You can.
You can't.
Yeah.
All right.
You can't touch my hand.
All right. So
Yeah, you can't
I
touch my hand.
So same way, just saying girl instead of boy.
What you think? Yeah.
You can't touch my hand, girl.
Oh, you got it. So I can make you dance, girl. You can't touch my hand, girl.
Yeah, like you too raw for these chicks, you feel me? That's how it gotta be, you too raw. You can't touch me. Now fuck you, nobody put that negative energy on my hand. You gotta tell them, DB, I don't want no negative energy by me.
You can't hold my hand, girl.
What?
Which one do you think?
What?
He said, shit, you can't hold my hand.
Oh yeah, he can do that too. Yeah, you can't hold my hand, that's better than touch.
Yeah, because the touch is for Amaya, like, ooh, boy.
Yeah.
All right, you got it. So I can make you dance, girl. You can't hold my hand.
Or he could be like, or he can say, you can hold my hand, girl, and walk off with her son. If that's the end of it.
No, that ain't the end of it.
No, it ain't. Look here, you don't want to do it. You do want to do it with a girl.
I can make you dance, girl. You can't hold my hand, girl.
I need y'all quiet.
You got it? Sit.
You can't touch my hand, girl.
I can make you dance, girl.
You can't touch my hand, girl.
Sit. I can make you dance, girl.
I can make you dance, girl.
You can't touch my hand, girl.
They over there shot. Now what the fuck is you doing with your pants? The fuck is Y'all, you ain't gotta be nervous now. You always at the end. You talking about girls. Look, you talking about girls now. He over here scared now.
Girl, bye. You ain't bye.
We only putting a little bit of you in this vlog, so what you only got like 1 minute of you in this vlog.
There I was right there.
Okay, come on. We're right
Go ahead. You worried about Darian? Cause you down here on the
there.
lineups coming soon, y'all.
Dance, girl. You can't touch my hand, girl.
You need to focus. Come on. You heard him? What you about to say? I know you didn't, because you standing there making sure looking at
their
their.
headphones. They sound cool. That's probably why you can't hear.
All right,
I
listen.
can make you dance,
Lift it
girl.
up.
Take
Lift
it
it
off.
up.
I can hear you.
Oh, good. Okay. Listen to him.
What you supposed to say? I can make you dance, girl.
Okay, go
You can't
upstairs.
touch my hand. You can't hold my hand, girl. She doesn't say one.
Y'all too loud in the
I can
background.
make you dance, girl.
You can't hold my hand.
Share, yeah, bye.
I couldn't hear.
What you doing?
All right,
with it?
listen up.
Say, I can make you dance, girl. That's how you get it. Alright?
You say I can make you dance, girl. That's it.
I can make you dance, girl.
Maya's gonna let y'all get older.
They all messing this floor up and everything. We back.
They killed it, y'all. I can't wait till we see the finished cut.
I got money in my
Uh-oh.
Now get that.
Uh-oh. What you... Jimmy think you're a rapper for real.
I got money in my
Oh, you is a rapper?
Who motivated you? No, I need that. You call a good part.
Alright, y'all. This is the end of this video right here, y'all. Stay tuned, y'all. Get this video to how many likes we should ask for on this video for the video for this song to drop? 48,000 likes for this video to drop. 48,000 likes we need. That's a whole lot of likes, y'all. But ooh, that's a lot. You feel me? No, we don't even get that many, but we gonna get there though. You already know what it is. But look, y'all. We gonna end this right here, y'all. If y'all want this, this song to drop, y'all,
we need 10,000.
We need 10,000 likes, y'all.
Yeah, like.
We need 10,000 likes on this video. Oh, we need 10,000 likes on this video. I'm telling y'all right now, we gonna drop it. It's a banger. I'm telling y'all. This is some different shit we never did before we started in the Curry Empire, y'all. And it's over with for everybody. Look, it's over with.
Over with.
Tell them it's over with.
It's over.
You feel me?
Curry Empire, we coming.
We coming.